Wait, what if I told you this YouTube video, this website, and even this PDF can all be turned into a fully narrated AI short in just 2 clicks? No scripting, no voice recording, no editing. And yes, it's completely free. Google has just added one of the biggest updates to NotebookLM. It can now generate AI-powered vertical shots from almost any type of content. And honestly, I wasn't expecting the results to be this good. So today, let's put this feature to the test. We are going to feed NotebookLM different kinds of content, from YouTube videos to websites and even PDFs, and see how well it transforms them into ready-to-publish AI shots. Before we dive in, if you're new to NotebookLM, here's a quick introduction. NotebookLM is Google's AI-powered research and note-taking assistant. But unlike a regular AI chatbot, instead of asking general questions, you upload your own content like YouTube videos, websites, PDFs, Google Docs, or even your own notes. And NotebookLM understands all of it. From there, it can summarize long documents, answer questions based on your uploaded sources, generate study guides, mind maps, podcasts, and now it can even create AI-generated shorts. And the best part, the Shorts feature is completely free to use. So let me quickly show you how to access this tool. Open your browser and search for NotebookLM on Google. Open the official Google NotebookLM website and sign in using your Google account. If this is your first time using it, simply create a free account. You don't need any paid plan to create AI shorts. Once you're signed in, click on New Notebook to create a fresh workspace. Welcome to NotebookLM. This is where all the magic happens. Now, before we start creating our first AI shot, let me quickly walk you through the NotebookLM interface. It's actually very simple. Over here on the left, you'll find the Sources section. This is where you upload all the content that NotebookLM will use to understand your topic. Right in the middle, we have the Chat section. This works like your personal AI assistant. Once your sources are processed, you can ask questions, generate summaries, explain difficult concepts, or brainstorm ideas based only on the information you've uploaded. And finally, over here is the Studio section. This is where NotebookLM transforms your sources into different types of content. Things like podcasts, mind maps, study guides, and of course, the brand new AI Shorts feature we're testing today. Let's create our first one. The first thing I'm going to do is give this notebook a name. Let's call it Test Edu Short. Now click on Add Source. You can add YouTube videos, websites, PDFs, Google Docs, or even paste your own text. Think of it as the AI's knowledge base. Generally, the better your sources, the better your final results. For this first demo, I've collected a few YouTube videos explaining how the dinosaurs became extinct. I'll simply paste each link here. As you can see, NotebookLM immediately starts processing each source. It's reading the content, extracting the important information, and building its own knowledge base. Once all the check marks appear, everything is ready. Before we move on, here's a quick recommendation. Instead of uploading just one source, try adding at least 3 to 5 high-quality sources on the same topic. This gives NotebookLM much more context, which usually leads to better and more accurate results. Now, let's head over to the Studio section. This is where all the magic happens. Click on Try New Shorts Overview or Video Overviews. You'll now see two different options. One is Explainer and the other one is Shorts, which is completely free. The Cinematic Videos option currently requires NotebookLM Pro. If you are using a free account, you'll not see it. Let's select Shorts. Instead of using the suggested topic, I'm going to enter my own custom prompt. Once that's done, simply click Generate. Now, this isn't an instant process. NotebookLM needs a few minutes to generate the complete video. During this time, it's writing the narration, creating captions, selecting visuals, adding animations, and putting everything together into a complete vertical shot. So, let's give it a moment. Looks like our first shot is ready. Let's see what NotebookLM has created.
When the asteroid hit, the dinosaurs weren't just crushed in one giant explosion. The true planet-wide killer came hours later, and it came from the sky. A rock the size of Mount Everest slammed into the Gulf of Mexico, instantly vaporizing the ocean and blowing a colossal hole in the Earth's crust. This impact blasted billions of tons of superheated rock and debris straight up, launching it completely out of the atmosphere and into the cold vacuum of space. High above the planet, this massive ejecta-cloud of pulverized stone and microscopic glass rapidly expanded.
I have to say, that's actually impressive. The narration sounds surprisingly natural. The captions are clean and easy to read, and the visuals match the story really well. Of course, it's not absolutely perfect. You may still notice a few AI-generated images that could be improved, and I'd probably make a couple of small edits before uploading it. But considering this entire video was generated automatically, the overall quality is honestly much better than I expected. If I were uploading this to YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, I'd probably spend another couple of minutes adding some background music, a few sound effects, and maybe a little extra zoom animation. And after that, I'd be pretty comfortable publishing it. Now let's try something completely different. So far, we've only used YouTube videos as our source. But NotebookLM isn't limited to YouTube. It can also understand PDFs. So for this demo, I'm going to upload an official PDF called Brain Basics: Understanding the Science of Sleep. Let's see how well it turns this document into an AI shot. Now I'll simply select the document from my computer. Just like before, NotebookLM immediately starts processing it. It's reading the entire document, understanding the important concepts, and organizing everything into its own knowledge base. Once the processing is complete, we are ready to generate another shot. Now let's head back to the studio section. Click on Video Overviews, select Shots, and once again I'll enter a custom prompt. Now all that's left to do is click Generate. And here's something really nice. You don't have to sit here waiting for the current video to finish. NotebookLM lets you work on multiple notebooks at the same time. So while this one is generating, let's create another project using a completely different type of source. I'll click Create New Notebook, and this time, instead of using a PDF, I'm going to combine multiple website articles along with a few YouTube videos all around the same topic. The topic I've chosen is black holes. The reason I'm mixing different source types is because the more high quality information NotebookLM has, the better the final result is likely to be. So I'll add a few trusted websites, a couple of YouTube videos, give the notebook a name, and then click Generate. Alright, our black hole project has finished generating as well. Let's see how it turned out.
We picture black holes as completely dark spheres, but thanks to the aberration of light, they aren't just empty voids. Imagine you cross the event horizon, survive, and look straight up. You'd actually see the stars perfectly because the universe's light is falling inward right alongside you. But as you plunge deeper, extreme gravity aggressively bends those incoming light paths. The entire 180-degree panorama of the outside universe is forced into an increasingly.
Wow, I honestly think this is my favorite result so far. Because NotebookLM had access to information from multiple sources, it was able to build a much more complete story. Instead of relying on a single article or one YouTube video, it combined everything together, picked out the most important information, and turned it into one clear and engaging shot. The pacing feels smooth, the visuals match the narration really well, and the captions make the content even easier to follow. Honestly, if someone showed me this without telling me it was AI generated, I'd probably assume it was edited manually. That's pretty impressive. Let's go back and check how our PDF video turned out.
How does your circadian rhythm actually force your body to sync with the day? It's the invisible clock that wakes you without an alarm, but wrecks you on a night shift. To see how it physically controls you, let's look at the exact moment the sun sets outside your window. As your room darkens, specialized cells in your retinas detect the fading light, firing an electrical signal deep into your brain. But simply seeing darkness doesn't make you tired. Your brain needs to broadcast a system-wide nighttime status to your physical body. The darkness signal hits a master control center called the SCN, which commands your pineal gland to pump out a chemical switch that physically initiates sleepiness. That chemical is melatonin.
I have to say,
As it
this
floods your
came out
bloodstream,
even
you
better
can
than
see
I
its levels
expected.
rapidly peak.
Considering the source was just a PDF,
Precisely as
NotebookLM has done a really good job of turning all that written information into something that's much easier to watch and understand. The narration is clear, the pacing feels natural, and instead of overwhelming you with technical terms, it focuses on the key takeaways. That's exactly what a good educational short should do. If you're a student, a teacher, or someone who creates educational content, this feature could save you a lot of time. Imagine taking a 20 or 30-page document, uploading it to NotebookLM, and getting a clean, easy to understand video summary in under a minute. That's honestly pretty impressive. So that's how you can use NotebookLM's brand new AI Shorts feature to turn almost any type of content into ready to publish videos. Whether your source is a YouTube video, a website, or even a PDF, the process stays incredibly simple. Just upload your sources, give NotebookLM a clear prompt, and let it do the rest. Now, is it perfect? Not yet. The generated visuals can occasionally miss the mark, and I'd still recommend spending a few minutes making small edits before publishing. But considering this feature is completely free, I honestly think the results are impressive. And knowing Google, I'm pretty sure this feature is only going to get better over time. Now I'd love to hear from you. What are you planning to create with NotebookLM? Educational shorts, history videos, science explainers, or something completely different? Let me know down in the comments. I'd genuinely love to check out your ideas. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel and lets me know you'd like to see more tutorials like this. And if you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing to Tech2AI. I regularly share the latest AI tools, practical tutorials, and new updates, so you never miss what's happening in the AI world. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.